Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assessing the rice, how much and how hard it is. If grains are clumped and chalky, rinse quickly to remove excess starch. Next, pour warm water so the level sits about 1/2 to 1 inch above the rice. This rehydrates the centers faster. Once soaked for 10-20 minutes, drain partially if water is cloudy. Make sure to use a vessel with a lid so heat will trap when you move to steaming. This primes the grains for even softening. Once done soaking, transfer rice to a pot with a tight lid and add 1-2 tablespoons of water per cup of rice to create steam. Bring to a gentle simmer on low. You want steam, not a boil that breaks grains. Cover and simmer for 5-8 minutes so heat penetrates evenly. Then turn off the burner and leave the lid on. Let the rice rest undisturbed for 10-12 minutes so residual heat finishes softening the cores and firms texture without drying. You finish by fluffing the rice gently with a fork to separate grains and check doneness. Taste a few kernels. If some are still firm, return pot to very low heat, add 1-2 tablespoons of hot water and recover for 5-7 minutes. This uses steam to soften without overcooking. If problems persist, split into smaller batches so heat distributes better. Troubleshooting tip: if rice becomes gummy, spread on a tray to cool briefly, then re-steam small portions to recover texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.